Hi, Professor. This is Walkiria Davis. I'm sorry for getting these things in kind of late for you this week. I'm still having an issue trying to find this contract. I looked in the course syllabus and I still can't find it. I'm not exactly sure where I should be looking for this contract. If you can email me a link, that would be greatly appreciated. Um, as far as my project is concerned, I'm hitting a little bit of a roadblock because some of the counselors aren't exactly keen to the idea of a parent coming in with these kind of ideas as far as checking mental health of children in their schools. So I'm gonna see if I can probably meet with maybe like the principal or something to see if I can sway him in any way, or maybe their guidance department, because he seems to be a little bit more uh interested in trying to get children to behave a certain way. So maybe he'll try to at least help me go a little further with it. Um, if I have anything else, I guess I'll get back to you with that. Thanks for listening.